let's do this. Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. You guys already know what we are doing here today. Back in the day, I did a little fake Kanye merch thing and you guys seemed to like it and I actually really enjoyed making it. So today we're doing fake Travis Scott merch. So all of this I got from Amazon. Don't ask me who was the seller or drop the links because I ain't gonna do that. None of this is sponsored. Again, it's for educational purposes, yada yada. You know the deal. Again, it's just interesting, right? It's a whole bunch of fun. I love looking at it. It's fun, it's funny. So we're gonna unbox it. We're gonna try it on. We're gonna see what you can get for your money on Amazon, which is next day shipping. I can't remember exactly what I ordered, so we're just gonna kind of pull it out and see what we got. So let's start with this one here. This is like the smallest bag, probably a t-shirt. Nothing else, just one. I don't know why they sent this one separately. Okay. Oh, okay, so this is, sorry, I got some Cactus Plant flea market stuff as well. Right, again, I have no idea whether this stuff legitimately exists or not. A nice color, to be fair. For a t-shirt, that's pretty damn good quality. I feel like it's better quality than the shit I got on right now. So this is Cactus Plant flea market. You've got some puff print on the front. It says Cactus Plant Flea Market, Dover Street Market, and it's got a little pocket on the top. So far, so good. Let's see what else we got. Again, at the end of the video, I'm gonna try this all on. That's a size medium. I think I got a variety of sizes because I didn't just want to get my true to size. I wanted to get an accurate representation of how this actually fits. Let's open the big bag up. Right, so it all comes in these Ziploc bags, as far as I can tell. Maybe some of this isn't all Travis Scott. Let's get into this one. So this is a hoodie. As you can see, another Ziploc bag. Okay, so again, I don't know whether this is an actual real Travis Scott. Like, is the design based off of a real Travis Scott hoodie? So materials very, very similar. It feels pretty damn good. This is a medium as well. I think normally I'd go for a large. This might be a bit too small. So the print is literally just a print. It's not puffed or anything like that. It's a very basic print. But I think as far as like the quality goes, it's not that bad. Got the La Flame logo on the hood, which actually looks pretty cool. That's not bad. So for 37 bucks, you're getting a relatively good deal on that one. What else we got? So we got another Travis Scott. Is this a hoodie? Yep, this is another Travis Scott hoodie. So this one I believe I have seen. This maybe is, whoa, geez, look at that print. That is a dope print on the back. Look at that, Astro World, and it shows a bunch of tour dates. Tour 2019. So is this something that exists from 2019? I have no clue. So you've got the big, massive logo on the back, and of course the smaller logo on the front. This is just regular print, but again, it's not like really bad quality print. This is definitely something you would find on like standard t-shirts and stuff. It actually feels maybe a little bit better than that. I don't think this is going to crack or wear off. I mean, I may be wrong about that. Again, I'm not too sure. What size did I get? Oh, I got this in a small. Oh, no way. This is definitely going to be tiny. I don't know. It doesn't look too bad. What is this? Lucky me, I see ghosts. Okay. So basically, it's a mixture of Cactus Plant Flea Market stuff and Travis Scott. Okay. So I thought I mainly got Travis Scott. Oh, wow. This one is dope. Wow. Look at that. That's a nice color. And it is all puff print. Wow, man, what the hell? This is really good quality. I like this. Jeez. So this is the front. This is a hoodie. The hoodie material is pretty average. I assume, like, for a lot of kind of celebrity merch, this is almost like average. I assume they're not putting out, like, they're pretty much just putting their print on an average t-shirt. I think a lot of people are. So lucky me, I see ghosts. I think this is Cactus Plant Flea Market from what I can remember. At the back you get some more puff print. What does it say? Camp, Flog, November. 11th. I like the puff print. I like the color and the different colors of the text and the print. Oh, what size did I get? Let's have a look. C. Let's have a look-see. Medium. Okay, medium. Where's the larges at, man? I thought I got some larges. Joggers. Maybe this is to match with... Is this to match? I got a pair of joggers. Pair of joggers. Pretty much the same material as the hoodie. I think the same colors. Like, do these go together? You'd probably wear these as a fit together. Again, Cactus Plant Flea Market. So yeah, maybe this is all just Cactus Plant Flea Market and Travis Scott. So this one is pretty much a regular pair of joggers, oversized, I assume. And you've got the Cpfm.xyz. It is cuffed at the ankles, just how I like it. And this is a size small. How's this one looking? Whoa. This is like... Wow. Oh, okay, so it's got the La Flame logo on the top. This is in like orange. So like the black and orange go together super nice. Material feels like okay. Feels like, you know, general, what is that? That's a large. Okay, so we'll try. We've got larges, we've got mediums, and we've got smalls. I bought a pair, along with all of this, I bought a pair of socks as well. You know, like those really popular Calabasas socks. However, they didn't turn up on time, and they're gonna take ages. So I was like, F it, I'm not waiting around for a pair of socks. Everything else showed up, so I decided to do it. But I was looking forward to trying out a pair of fake Calabasas socks. Right, we got a t-shirt. This t-shirt looks tiny. What size is this? Oh, it's a medium. Wow, the prints though, look at that. So a black tee, and you've got a whole lot of prints. Obviously you can see this is Cactus Plant Flea Market. You've got the smiley face with the 4 eyes, WWCD ... That side print is dope. It kind of makes it look like a little bit retro with this, like softball. I don't know. That's kind of what I get. I like the sleeves to be long as well. Like even this t-shirt that I'm wearing now, in my opinion, is a bit too short. Like I don't want no bicep action coming through, even though the biceps just escape every now and then. Okay, yeah, anyway, I'm gonna try this on, and let's start with this one. Let's try this one on. Let's go for the t-shirt first. Damn, that's tight. Yep. This is a size medium. It is just too tight around the chest and the shoulders and the arms. Man, the colors on this are so nice. Checking myself out in the mirror. This is dope. Like the colors. Stand back a little bit so you can see the whole thing. So sleeves are a good length. I mean, I probably could do with a large. It feels a little bit tight around the chest. Definitely could do with a large. The length is a little bit short as well. Probably could do with a large again. But as far as like the design, again, it's pretty damn dope. I'm loving the colors on this though. Like free. Yeah, this one is definitely, that's a good one. Again, that's a nice color. Like a really nice sand color, pretty good fit. Again, I'd probably go for a large. This is a little bit tight, like around, again, the chest and the shoulders and the arms. But the length is fine. Travis Scott on the sleeve. You've got Travis on the right arm. Travis. And then you've got Scott. No, it's exhausting trying on all of these clothes. Yeah, just what I thought. Like, this is a large and it fits me way better. It's got that nice oversized feel to it. Travis Scott on the arm. This is probably like the cheapest feeling one. Definitely not thin. Like it's pretty averagely thick. But yeah, this is the Travis Scott one. This is like probably one of my favorite color combinations, black and orange action. So yeah, it's definitely a little bit tight, not a fit that I particularly want. You can see the shoulders, you know, the shoulders are popping a bit too much. The guns are hugging a bit too much, and you know, I ain't about that life. The back looks pretty damn cool, I think. That's all right. Maybe with a bit of an iron, it would look a little bit better, but you got the pocket to store, you know, your your stuff. You've got your prints on the front. I would probably get a large if I had to do this again. Right, so we've got the joggers left, but I can't be bothered to move all of my table and everything out of the way. So what I'm gonna do is when I get home, because I'm at the studio now, so when I get home, I'm gonna try these on and I'll chuck that in at the end of the video so you can see what the joggers look like. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Thank you guys for coming through. Again, this has been a heap of fun. We've got so much in front of me right now. I'm like looking down at this chaos that I've just unbagged. But either way, that pretty much wraps it up for the fake merch that I got from Amazon. Let me know, guys, what you want to see next. We don't have to stick with Amazon. We can go to Wish. We can go to some of like the deepest, darkest webs of the Chinese fake market. We can go anywhere. If you've got some suggestions, let me know. We can do shoes, clothing, whatever you would like to see. Let me know down in the comment section. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for coming through, liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. Which one will look pretty damn cool? This one would. Catch you all in the next one, but until then.